Hey guys, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm showing you how to make peanut brittle. Don't let it intimidate you. Very simple and easy to do. The ingredients you're going to need is 3½ cups of raw red skin peanuts, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. It can be salted or unsalted, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Let's get started. First, you're going to prepare your pan for your peanut brittle. I've got a 15-inch by 10-inch pan with 1-inch sides that I've lined with tinfoil. Not necessary to line it with tinfoil, but I just like how it makes the cleanup a little easier. Gonna add a thin layer of butter here on the bottom. And then we're going to set this off to the side. In a 4½ quart heavy saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add our sugar, the salt, the water, and corn syrup. We're going to heat this until it comes to a boil. Continue stirring. It won't take long with that sugar and that corn syrup. Now that we have our mixture at a roaring boil, we're going to add all 3½ cups of our raw peanuts. And it's going to drop the temperature a little bit, but we're going to continue stirring until it begins to boil again. At this point, we're going to add our candy thermometer because we're looking for a hard crack stage of a temperature of 293 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue stirring and keep your eye on the thermometer. We've reached the 293 degree Fahrenheit. Here on our candy thermometer, probably kind of hard to see, but I'm trying to show you. Now immediately we're going to add the butter and the baking soda. Whisk this very generously, quickly. Be careful when working with hot candy. Woo! There we go. Vigorously give it a lovely little stirring. And then over here to our prepared pan, we're going to dump it in all at once. And generously, we're going to spread it from corner to corner. We're looking about 1/4 of an inch thickness here on our peanut brittle. And that looks absolutely perfect. Let this sit up till it cools down. I've spent an hour cooling down my peanut brittle. You just go over here, break it off into however small or large you want your pieces. This is an excellent Christmas homemade gift. Then again, we're just going to break it down. Let's give it a try. Wow, that is some delicious homemade peanut brittle. You're not going to be disappointed in this peanut brittle recipe. I'm Deronda with Foods 101, and by the way, store in an airtight container. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.